guys. I have loads
of news that I want to share with you guys.
So you're perhaps thinking, why has Shed got slime in the background? Well, recently I haven't been able to access Roblox, so I had to use this background. Anyways, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. Recently, there has been some drama between two famous Roblox content creators, CXKIOS and Zoethenoob. I love both these YouTubers and very disappointed they are in drama. So how it all started. Zoethenoob decided to do an edit comp and, well, let's just say, it didn't go as planned. I saw loads of people were saying it was a scam. Even CXKIOS said so. But I don't know who to believe until it got worse. Zoethenoob called CXKIOS out. Well, I think. Hold up. Hi everyone, recently I have been accused of scamming. So I would like to clear some things up.
Hi everyone, recently I have been accused of scamming. So I would like to clear some things up.
I'm okay. So CXKIOS didn't really get called out, but you know, both of them are telling their own side of the story. I think I might be on Sky's side. The reason of my choice is because more people were saying the comp was a scam. But it's totally your opinion. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let's just hope this drama ends soon. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like on this video for more content like this.